how Subway sandwiches ingredients are mass-produced in a factory. Bread is the true backbone of every Subway sandwich. It's what greets your senses first, with that warm aroma permeating the air as you walk into a store. But what you may not know is that this bread begins its life far from the ovens at your local Subway. It all starts in massive industrial facilities dedicated solely to preparing the bread dough on a colossal scale. Immediately, towering silos stocked with high-grade flour spring into action. These silos are equipped with precision dispensing systems, measuring out just the right amount of flour for each batch. The flour then meets other key ingredients like water, sugar, salt, and yeast in enormous spiral mixers designed to blend everything evenly while maintaining temperature control. Why temperature precision? Because yeast, the key player in bread making, can be sensitive. Too much heat and it loses its effectiveness. Too little and the dough won't rise. Once the dough reaches a silky, elastic consistency, it travels through automated portioning lines. High-speed machines cut the dough into uniform segments. But that's not where the efficiency ends. Shaping machines take over next, uniformly creating logs perfectly sized to fit Subway's signature sandwich shapes. These logs are then whisked through a flash freezing system, an engineering marvel that instantly freezes the dough without compromising its quality. Flash freezing not only locks in freshness, but ensures the dough survives the long transport journeys to Subway stores around the world. It doesn't stop there. The frozen logs are packed into climate-controlled shipping crates, safeguarded to maintain their condition during transit. By the time these logs reach any Subway location, they are ready to be baked fresh on site, delivering that iconic aroma and flavor we all associate with a Subway sandwich. This clever combination of industrial efficiencies and localized baking ensures every loaf is identical in quality, yet undeniably fresh. Meats are equally impressive when it comes to manufacturing scale. These aren't just any deli cuts you find at a grocery store. Subway's meats undergo an intricate production process involving some of the most advanced food technology in the industry. It all begins with fresh cuts of meat arriving at processing facilities known for their precision and speed. Imagine rooms filled with industrial meat grinders as tall as a person. These grinders aren't ordinary. They use multiple stages of grinding to ensure textures are uniform and meet Subway's quality standards. Turkeys, for example, are broken down and shaped into sandwich-ready slices, or ground further to create meat patties like those used in meatball subs. Each machine is fine-tuned to handle this at a staggering rate, ensuring no bottlenecks in the production line. Once the meat is ground, flavored, or shaped as needed, it moves on to the cooking phase. Giant vacuum sealing and steaming chambers take center stage here. These machines cook meats evenly from the outside while retaining their juices, making sure no flavor is lost during the process. It's not surprising that precision is key. Cooking systems are automated to the point where even the slightest moisture loss is detected and adjusted in real time. Following cooking, slicing machines take over. Yes, it's just cutting meat into slices. But here, it's done with some serious engineering. High-speed industrial slicers are equipped with laser-guided systems that ensure every single slice is of equal thickness. This consistency is pivotal, not just for appearance, but to streamline sandwich assembly later in Subway locations. Even as the slicing finishes, these machines don't stop. A quick vacuum seal ensures that the flavor and freshness stay intact. Each vacuum-sealed packet is carefully labeled and packed into boxes that are ready for shipping. From here, the meat begins its careful transportation to Subway outlets via cold chain logistics, where every degree of temperature is monitored to guarantee quality. These detailed processes, from grinding to slicing, ensure Subway's meats arrive in perfect condition, ready to be layered into sandwiches for millions of customers each day. And what's truly amazing? Every slice, every cut, every package is part of a seamless system that values precision and speed without sacrificing taste or quality. When you see those vibrant slices of cucumber or the crisp strips of bell peppers in your Subway sandwich, it's easy to assume they came straight from nearby farms. And while that's partially true, it's the machinery behind the scenes that ensures they reach your plate in perfect condition. Take the harvesting process, for instance. Farms supplying Subway utilizes advanced agricultural machines designed to pick, sort, and grade produce all in one seamless operation. These machines are equipped with high-tech vision sensors that classify items by size, color, and even ripeness. Picture a conveyor system right in the field, where each vegetable is automatically inspected and sorted before being loaded onto transport wagons bound for the next phase. Once delivered to high-efficiency processing plants, the vegetables are met with their next round of precision care. Automated washing systems use multiple stages of cleaning, first with water jets to remove dirt, then with gentle tumbling mechanisms to scrub away stubborn particles. For items like lettuce, these systems are particularly delicate, ensuring leaves remain intact while thoroughly cleaned. From there, high-speed slicing and chopping machines take over. These machines are tailored to produce Subway's signature styles, like crisp bell pepper strips or uniform cucumber rounds, all within milliseconds. Lettuce, too, undergoes a shredding process that creates those light, fluffy ribbons you see packed into every sandwich. To keep the produce fresh for as long as possible, the cut vegetables are packed using modified atmosphere packaging systems. What does that mean? These are special sealing systems that remove oxygen from the bags and replace it with a controlled mix of gases, slowing down spoilage and preserving crispness. By the time these packages reach a Subway store, those fresh, vibrant veggies are ready to bring crunch and color to your sandwich. The finishing touches of any Subway sandwich, the sauces and cheeses, might seem simple, but their mass production involves some of the most fascinating machinery in the entire process. Sauce production starts with industrial-scale blending tanks, some large enough to hold thousands of gallons of liquid at once. These tanks feature precision mixing paddles that ensure every ingredient is evenly distributed. Whether it's creamy mayonnaise or smoky chipotle Southwest sauce, it aims to achieve that silky smooth consistency every time. Sensors embedded in the equipment control mixing speed, temperature, and ingredient ratios, leaving no room for error. Once the sauces are blended, they move to automated bottling and labeling lines. Imagine a system of robotic arms working in perfect unison, filling containers, sealing them, and tacking on the labels, all at speeds so fast you can barely tell it's happening. The finished products are vacuum sealed to protect freshness while waiting to be shipped to stores. When it comes to cheese, the process is equally precise. Giant shredding machines take blocks of cheddar, provolone, or Swiss and slice them into uniform shreds or sheets. The equipment uses customized blades, ensuring that the bits are just the right size for melting or layering onto a sandwich. Once sliced or shredded, sorting machines carefully weigh out portions, packing them into airtight pouches to maintain freshness. With both sauces and cheeses prepared to perfection, they're sent off to become the creamy, savory accents of every sandwich. Subway's production magic doesn't stop at making the ingredients. It extends to getting those ingredients to stores efficiently and on time through a network of meticulously planned logistics. Ingredients like bread dough, sliced meats, vegetables, and sauces are all collected at centralized distribution centers. These centers operate almost like a hub-and-spoke system, streamlining shipments to Subway locations across the country. Here, advanced inventory systems powered by artificial intelligence ensures every store gets exactly what it needs. No more, no less. Transportation itself is a feat of engineering. Items are packed into climate-controlled trucks equipped to maintain optimal temperatures for everything from frozen bread dough to fresh vegetables. For instance, meats and cheeses are kept in refrigerated sections, while sauces and bread dough travel in separate zones within the same truck. Sensors inside these vehicles constantly monitor humidity and temperature, and any fluctuation is reported in real time to the logistics team to prevent spoilage. What's really remarkable is how quickly this all happens. The entire supply chain is designed for just-in-time delivery, meaning ingredients only spend hours or a couple of days in transit before arriving at their destinations. This minimizes waste and ensures Subway's renowned freshness promise stays intact. Once at stores, staff unpack pre-portioned items and prep them for the day ahead. From freshly baked bread to crisp vegetables, every step of this sophisticated logistics network ensures the ingredients arrive with their peak taste and quality. And in the end, it's this system of precision and speed that lets Subway meet the demand for millions of footlongs every single day. What makes this production process so fascinating isn't just the technology, it's the scale. Thousands of loaves, millions of tomato slices, and countless meat portions all come together every single day. From automated meat slicers to cucumber shredding conveyors, each machine contributes to Subway's ability to deliver fresh ingredients at a global scale. And the best part? Every bite of a Subway sandwich is the result of this intricate system of engineering and innovation. The next time you order your favorite sub, take a second to think about the incredible process that brought it to your plate. Explore more behind-the-scenes look at food production systems with us here at Production Portal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for your next dose of fascinating manufacturing breakdowns.